Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. We have a Pavoni Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was running without hot water, without water inside the tank, and that basically pretty much fry all the little gaskets that you can see around here. We pretty much had to replace all the gaskets on the machine, including the heating element gasket, pretty much everything, and the plastic sleeve that is this was really hard to remove. It was completely cracked, and as soon as we tried like twisting on it, it just cracked even more. The whole thing just was really hard to replace. Just for a comparison, let me see if I have another one here. But you can kind of still see the shape. This goes inside the group head over here, so it's completely rounded, and we pretty much had to replace the whole thing. As you can see, it was really hard to remove. We replaced all the gaskets as previously stated. We also going to replace this with a brand new one, just basically like that, because it needs to just to prevent any. There you go. Put it back in there, just to see if there's no leaks or anything at all. So this machine, we had it on for a while right now, and unfortunately we don't have the portafilter, so we won't be able to do a shot. I tried with all the portafilters that we have over here, and they don't really fit this base at all. So we're just gonna run the water like this. As you can see, beautiful shower screen coming out through there, and for the steamer, working perfectly fine. There you have it, Pavoni working once again. Thank you for your Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.